Well, it's money time again. And investing $500, so that means we're going to use the compound interest formula. Just as a reminder real quick, here's the compound interest formula. So the beginning amount is 500, so that's what P equals, the principal. And then R, just change 6% to a decimal, 0.06. Then it's compounded quarterly. So that means that N equals, quarterly means 4 times a year. So N equals 4. And then how long until the amount is $800? So the A is $800. The capital P is 500. R gets changed to the decimal 0.06. N is a 4. And then we need to solve for T. And of course, we will use logarithms in the second step. The first step is to get rid of this 500. So divide both sides by 500. Cancel, cancel, and even reduce. So this becomes 8 over 5. And on the other side, just recopy what's in the parentheses. Raised to the n, I forgot to put a 4 right there. So raised to the 4 times t. And then the next thing to do is, you guessed it, take natural log of both sides. That way, this 4 times t, you could bring it in front and put it in front of this logarithm. So we would have 4t in front of the logarithm. And then just recopy the rest. Recopy this part on the left. And then the last thing to do to solve for t is divide. So divide by a 4, and also the natural log of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. And on this side, also divide by 4 and the natural log of 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. The 4's cancel, the logarithms cancel, so on the right side, all there is the t. And then, you guessed it, it's time to use the calculator. So how much is natural log 8 divided by 5? That's not a 5, Craig. There you go. Natural log of 8 divided by 5, and then divided by, and be sure to put parenthesis, 4, natural log 1 plus 0.06, which was divided by 4, and then paren. And that should do it. So it would take almost 8 years, 7.892 years. 7.892. Or, if you wanted to put it in years and months, then take the 7 off, because that's years, and then just take the decimal 0.892. Go to the calculator and just take the 0.892 times 12 months in a year. So that means 10, which is October. And then if you take the decimal off of that, the 0.704, and say, well, if you're in October, there's 31 days, because of course Halloween, there's 31 days. That's going to be October 21st. About 82% of the way through the day on October 21st. That did say 21st, right? Yeah, 21. So 7 years, and then 10 months, or you could say October 21st. So probably at the end of 7 years and the end of October 21st, you could get your money out and you would have $800.